Type of uncertainty. No measurement is ever guaranteed to be perfect. Uncertainty of measurement is the doubt that exists about the result of any measurement. By quantifying the possible spread of measurements, we can say how confident we are about the result. A measurement result is only complete when accompanied by a statement of its uncertainty. A statement of uncertainty is required in order to decide if the result is adequate for its intended purpose and consistent with other similar results.